Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So this is another listing, guys. I almost forgot to upload. Uh, Na-upload na nato karon lang bag-o lang yun because we have already confirmed some documents. So this is a total of 80 hectares consolidated, meaning there are separate owners, different owners. But this front holding the road is around 25 hectares. Then the next is 17 and so forth, no? Nga moabot ni siya og 80 hectares. It's really nice to put a camp. It's located in Barangay Tumok, San Miguel, Bohol. It is an interior lot, no? Nasya sa tunga. There was somebody who is planning to buy, no, a big company in Bohol, planning to buy and put a piggery. But the government does not allow them because the other side is part already in the Trinidad, Bohol. So they did not continue in buying this property. So manay nahitabo, guys, no. Wala nila palit dayon kay wala naman mosugot ang other nga lungsod. So which is the adjacent, no, the Trinidad. Wala mosugot ang Trinidad, guys, nga himuan pa diha og mga piggery kay nag-sloping man siya, sloping going downhill, going to Trinidad, somewhere in Trinidad, and it will, meaning the water will go to their so the water will going to their place, no, in somewhere in Trinidad. Bot pasabot na ko, guys, nga dili. So this is not feasible. Then there is also planning of solar farm. Wala sad kay layo ra kaayo ang NGCP. It's far from the NGCP substation. So the good thing for this property is like a camp, no. If you convert this into a farming or camp, this is a good ideal in this property. And this is ideal for a campsite development. So good for a campsite. Pwede siya sa camping area, no, which is the road going to, this road is connecting to Hitapi, Bohol, no. Mo connect ra siya sa Hitapi kanang karsada ni, guys. The place is really cool. Bugnaw gyud siya, guys. Ideal gyud ni siya. Himuon nimo ning mga, for example, if you can convert this into a campsite, you can create a residential house, for example, for the elders, like you put like a home for the aged. So because it's really a fresh air, no, bugnaw niya, presko ang hangin. So this road is connecting to Hitapi, Bohol. So not Danao, no, as per information Danao ko, no, but according to the one of our guide, is connecting to Hitapi, Bohol, and soon to be concrete because on the other side is already they are having a concreting, no. So, kini na lang pod ang wala pa ma-concrete. That is why sometimes, no, makasulti ta nga ang gobyerno sig panggubaan ng mga dili pa kayo guba nga karsada pero di pa wa masiminto, which is need to be concrete, no. Pero anyway, let's continue to our guys, no, to our discussion, no. This property is really good for campsite development, farming, or any kind that is not harmful to the barangay, no, kanang pwede ra sa barangay. So you need to have a permit from the barangay. So again, the size is 80 hectares, pero I think you can buy a portion 25 hectares or one of the group of the years, no, kay dili pa na one title magita or na magod sa amigo sa kung papakuan sila, 5 sila, 5 people, no, and then 17 hectares, you can buy that. But if you buy the whole, it's really good. Okay, thank you.